What is that? What is that, Mommy?
It's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine. It is
right.
yours.
It is yours.
But what is it? What is it?
This is perfect, Mom.
Oh, good. Has she seen her kitchen yet?
No, it's not together.
Oh.
It's really complicated. Look at that! Wow! I know! Pots and pans!
So cute.
Here, sweetie. Okay, let's keep opening presents. Let's open one more from Granny. Okay, here's another one. Can we put this in your hair real quick? Can I put this in your hair? Let's see. She's so cute. Okay, there you go. There you go, pretty girl. Okay, let's open this one. Ooh, what's in here, Bella? What's in here? She's pretty into these pots and pans, Mom.
Oh, good, good.
Can you open this?
Perfect age for that type of thing.
All right, good job. Keep opening it. What's in there? It's a surprise. Wow! Coloring books. And who's that? Who is that? Whoa! Is that Dora? She opened your book with the Dora,
Oh, good, good.
the doorbell, I guess.